A wood lathe machine is one of the most essential tools in woodworking. It is mainly used to shape and turn wood by rotating it at high speed while cutting tools are applied. In a wood lathe machine, the wooden workpiece is securely fixed between the headstock and the tailstock. When the machine is switched on, the wood rotates smoothly, allowing precise cutting, shaping, and finishing. The main components of a wood lathe machine include the headstock, tailstock, tool rest, bed, and motor. The headstock provides rotation, while the tailstock supports the wood from the opposite end. The tool rest helps control cutting tools for safe and accurate operation. Wood lathe machines are widely used to make table legs, chair parts, wooden bowls, handles, spindles, and decorative items. They're suitable for professional workshops as well as DIY woodworking projects. One of the key advantages of a wood lathe machine is its ability to create smooth curves and perfect round shapes. With proper tools and speed control, users can achieve professional quality results. Safety is always important when operating a wood lathe machine. Always wear safety goggles, keep hands at a safe distance, and make sure the wood is tightly secured. Using sharp tools and the correct speed ensures better finishing and safer performance. In conclusion, a wood lathe machine is a powerful and versatile woodworking tool. At ToolsMet, we help you choose the right tools through honest reviews and expert guidance. Thanks for watching and stay connected with ToolsMet.